There's a fielder, but it is way out of Babar Azam's
shot. That is a cracking power drive. Shakib. He tosses it up and he finds the gap. Again. There's a slot sweep that away from the fielder. 4 to finish the over. That has been the area that he has been eyeing. That is a good shot. That's slapped away. On the offside, it's going to be a boundary. But he made good ground. That is beautifully played. It's a low full toss and there should be another boundary. Is he going to come back for the second? He is coming back for the second. So he'll pick up his 50. 12 in that over after 15. Dhaka, the hundreds on the